Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video you will find how to solve Wave 7 puzzle created by Yuu Asaka. This puzzle has difficulty level 9 out of 10 and the object is to fit all 7 wave-shaped parts into the tray. And as you can see, all these 7 parts are unique, they have different shape, and that's make it really difficult to solve this puzzle, since if you try to fit all these parts inside, you will be able to fit 5, 6 parts, but never 7. So you have to find the right way to put them all together. There is a trick how to do it, and I will show it to you a little bit later. And if you like Wave 7 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. So first you have to find this part that has like a very long cutout on one side. There are 2 similar parts, but this one has like the biggest cutout in here, and put it on the left side. Next, what you have to do is to find the part which has this sticking out part closer to the middle of the wave. As you can see, all other waves has this sticking out part on the bottom or on the top of the wave, but here you have it very close to the middle. And now you have to find a way how to put all other 5 parts into the tray so that you will be able to fit all of them. And I think it's gonna be like this. You have to put one part that has like the smallest wave, then goes this one, then goes this part, and there are 2 parts left. And here there is a little trick. You have to put them like not the same way but different way, like this, and you will be able to fit all 7 waves into the tray. That was the solution of Yuu Asaka's Wave 7 puzzle. As always, all Yuu Asaka's puzzles have very unique and interesting solution, and there is also always aha moment when you are able to find the right solution. If you like Wave 7 puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles created by Yuu Asaka, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!